Uncle Snoop! Uncle Snoop! He making spawn. This is my real life uncle, Jack. He come like this every time. Every time, man. We your nephews.
Listen what I say, right? When I was young, I used to have some of my favorite uncles, and they would always come by and they'd be like, hey, come outside in the back. Don't tell your mom. And they would show me so much, give me so much game, put money in my pocket, teach me how to be a real player, just give me information and wisdom. So I've become that now. Like, it's like my job to stay in tune with my nephews.